Vivo Y400 Pro 5G, Nebula Purple Edition with a thickness 0.749 cm, is the slimmest smartphone with 3D curved display amongst the smartphones launched in the price segment between INR 20K and INR 30K, according to internal research as of the 20th of June 2025. Only specific apps support 120 Hz. In different apps or game interfaces, the screen refresh rate and touch sampling rate may be slightly different. The product has passed SGS Low Blue Light certification. This product is not a medical device and does not have any therapeutic functions. Please note that the actual product's color scheme may differ from the reference pictures, as the pictures provided are not actual photographs and should be used for reference only. The white edition is 0.774 cm thick, the purple edition is 0.749 cm thick, and the gold edition is 0.772 cm thick and weighs 182 grams. The pixel value may vary in different camera modes, and is subject to actual usage. AI Erase 2.0 requires a network connection. AI Photo Enhance requires a network connection. Equipped with Vivo standard charger, and support up to 90 watts of charging power, subject to actual use and various external factors including electricity output. The data shown is derived from Vivo laboratory tests. Actual charging speed and battery duration are subject to actual usage and may vary depending on environment and other factors. Charging data is derived from Vivo laboratory tests. Test environment: ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius plus minus 1 degree Celsius. Test condition: charged by using the Vivo official standard charger, in the off-screen state, with 1% of battery capacity. Actual charging speed is subject to actual usage and may vary depending on environment and other factors. The typical battery capacity is 5500 mAh, and the rated battery capacity is 5390 mAh. Data is obtained from Vivo's laboratory tests and refers to single app operations/standby conditions only. The test conditions for YouTube: screen